Hello. Today we're going to talk about birthday celebrations. We're going to make a birthday plan, to learn how to make suggestions, and read about birthday traditions all around the world. Let's learn how our friends get ready for their mum's birthday. What are you doing?
I'm making a plan to celebrate Mom's birthday.
I'm here to help. What about something unusual for our mum's birthday?
Great!
Let's begin with treats. What about some cakes and ice cream?
That's a great idea.
Shall we have some biscuits and sandwiches?
That would be nice.
A birthday party is an interesting family celebration.
What can make our party interesting?
Would you like to have party games?
I'd love to.
Let's decorate Mum's room with colourful balloons.
Good idea.
There's a funny birthday tradition of pulling a person's ears. Shall we pull your mum's ears?
I don't like the idea. I think it's for children. Let's think of party games, which can be interesting for both adults and children.
Interesting ideas, aren't they? Let's learn more about birthday celebrations. A party with balloons and streamers is common, and most people are given a cake for their birthday. Candles are placed on top of the cake, one candle for each year of the person's life, to represent his or her age. The candles are little, and as you light the candles, "Happy Birthday to You" is sung. The birthday person makes a wish and tries to blow out all the candles in one try. If the candles are all blown out, then the wish will come true. In Britain, people often have a party to celebrate their birthdays. Everyone brings a small gift. The mother of the family always makes a cake. Russian students bring everyone some sweets on their birthday. Birthday kids get their ears pulled. The number of pulls depends on how old they are. One pull for each year they have lived. Birthday celebrations are very special in China. People eat very long noodles that mean they will live a long life. They eat them in soup and try not to cut them because it's unlucky. On German children's birthdays, they get candles, a cake, and presents, and they don't have to do any homework or chores. In India, on their birthdays, kids show their parents signs of respect by touching their feet. In Brazil, a birthday person is given the first piece of cake, but doesn't keep it for himself. Instead, he gives this piece to an important person in his life, like his mum or dad. There are lots of birthday traditions around the world, and they all make birthdays special.